this wine out small.
Hello.
Oh yes, how you doing? Oh, this is Kelvin.
Oh, Kelvin. How you doing?
Well, I am just very good.
Okay. What's up?
What's up? Babe, same thing that has been up all these years. The sky, the sun, the clouds, the stars, the moon. Yes, of course. Look, Cynthia, you know I'm seeing your face right now. If I tell you I am seeing your face right now, would you believe me?
How? But we are not even on a video call.
Yeah, I know we are not on a video call, but I can see you. I see your face in the sun. I see your face in the sky. I see your face in the stars. I see your face in every beautiful plant. I'm not joking. Look, this same thing I've been saying for a while. Ever since I set my eyes on you, I've not remained the same. Cynthia, I love you. Oh God, I love you so much that it's even hard for me to express myself. Cynthia, please just give me a chance. There's nothing I cannot do for you in this life. Look, I'll climb the highest mountain. I will dive in the deepest ocean. I will trek the longest distance all for you. I'll take a bullet right on my head. I will jump in front of the train. Look, I'm not just mincing words. I'm not trying to, make you feel good. I say what I mean and I mean what I say. I'm serious. See, just give me a chance. All I'm asking for is a chance. There is nothing in this life that I cannot do for you. I'll catch a grenade for ya. Put my head on the blade for ya. I'll jump in front of the train for ya. And girl, I'll do anything for ya. I'll go through all this pain. Take a bullet straight through my head. Girl, I would die for you, baby. You don't need to do the same. Look, I'm really serious about those things I'm saying. I'll do just anything for you.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm not kidding. I'm not kidding. I am not.
Kelvin.
Yes.
Can I see you this evening?
Oh yes, we can see this evening. But if it does not rain.
What did you see?
Yes, because the weather is not looking good. If it does not rain, I'll come over to your place this evening.
You said you jump in front of a train for me.
Yes.
You take a bullet for me. You even catch a grenade for me. Kelvin, you will catch bomb for me. But you can only come to my house when it does not rain. Kelvin.
Yes.
Kelvin.
Yes.
Kelvin.
Yes.
Please don't ever in your life call this number again. Rob.